Okay, they're definitely waking up. Look at these guys. They're all over the glass. Can't see her yet because it's so dirty, but the queen has survived. Hallelujah. So I'm going to attempt to take this glass off and clean it. My idea is to temporarily replace the existing glass while I clean it up real good. This is paid a little extra to have this glass installed. It's museum glass, and it's not supposed to have so much glare when I'm videotaping my ants. I had a hard time cutting glass with my Tweedledee glass cutter at home. So with a Dremel tool and a little piece of plexiglass, I think this will work. Also, bought from these guys, bought a little stack of very powerful magnets. They, look at that. Hopefully they'll hold this plexiglass up there tight enough while I scrub the museum glass. Damn, that worked like a charm. Alright, this is the third year bringing these girls out of hibernation. And boy, they look energetic and ready for action. A group of these guys are hanging out on top of this water tower. They look pretty healthy, groom themselves, stretching and everything. They've been clumped up all winter in one of the upper chambers. Let's see what's going on up there. Oh yeah. This is a pretty active little chamber here. And if this lens, that's the queen back there. There she is in better focus. And you can't see them, but there's a whole big clutch of eggs underneath of her. There you go. See that one ant tending to all those eggs? I'd call this a successful hibernation. They've come out, they're warming up.